The path of glory lead, but to the grave. We all want name, fame, money, but many times it has been seen that once people reach to that level, that maintaining those stardom is not so easy, and they are finding it difficult, and there only they commit mistakes. Here I would like to share one example of our great comedian Kapil Sharma. When he started his journey, he wanted to become a singer, but after giving so many auditions, he didn't get success, and then he moved towards comedy field. Even though so many talented comedians are there in our country, Raju Srivastav and all so many, but he was the only person who took bold decision, and he came up with his own show, Kapil Sharma, Comedy with Kapil Sharma, and he got all the success, required success. He put in all his efforts and expected result he got, but maintaining those stardom, he also failed. As we all know that one time traveling with his team members, he had a fight with the backbone of the comedy show, Sunil Grover, and after that fight they got separated. He had a fight with Sony channel Honor also, and by happening all these things, he went to depression. After that, things improved. After few years, that show was closed, and he came up with. After sometimes he came up with again that show, but still show is going, TRP is coming, but the trust was broken. The backbone of the show we lost, that is Sunil Grover, Dr. Gulati. The outcome of this entire scenario is, wherever we reached, we have to come along with our team members, because they are your backbone. Unless and until they are not there, you won't succeed. When they were there at your bad phase, when things are right, you have to maintain them, you have to manage them well, you have to retain them. And we know that in every show now he is coming up with new comedian and all, because the team structure got totally changed. So wherever we reach, we have to still keep our feet on ground, because if we go high, then it's problem, because we are not able to manage those things. Those stardom maintaining is not so easy. So this is what my thought on this topic, friends. Thank you so much for watching.